Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you a very simple menu that some people don't know how to do it. Can see, I want to show you how to boil egg. Egg is a simple thing to boil, but many people don't know how to boil it. So guys can see, you have your egg. You can boil as many as you want. Can even boil 1 pieces, can boil 2 pieces, can boil crate, 2 crate. But I just want to show you how to boil egg that you won't have problem with it. No, some don't know how to boil egg. Some put their water on the fire, allow the water boil before putting the egg. No, don't allow your water boil before putting your egg. Because if you allow your water boil before putting the egg, immediately you put the egg in the hot water, the egg will break. The egg will break. You will not like it the way it will come out. So the only thing you do, you put your egg inside water and wash it. Wash it very well because of the sand. See, you put your egg inside the cold water. That is room temperature. Then you want me to see the water on the pot. I didn't on the light. I just put the water inside the pot. So after you wash the egg, you now put it inside the pot. Put it very gently so that the thing will not break. So after you put, then you now put salt. You now add salt. After you add salt, before you on your light, you see, before you on your light. If you on your light, don't allow your light to too high. Reduce the light. Reduce it. Don't put it in high fire so that the egg will not break. So you see it and don't cover it. Anytime you boil egg, don't cover it. Then you leave it. If you want half done, you use 8 minutes to boil half done. If you want it to strong, you want to boil it hard, you use 25 minutes to cook it very well done. So I'll put the egg, I'll leave it 25 minutes to done very well. Can see it, I didn't allow the water boil before putting it. I just wash the egg and put it inside the water in the pot, and I on the burner. so guys can see, I'll leave it now to boil. So when the egg boil, I'll show you another step. So guys can see, so it's done now. Now off the light. If you off the light, you pack it and put inside the water. If you put it inside the water, don't peel it immediately. Leave it like 5 minutes to cool before you peel it. So if you leave it like 5 minutes before you peel it, if you are peeling it, the thing will not give you headache. You know, some boil egg, if you just comot am for fire, if you didn't allow it to cool like 5 minutes, put it inside the water to cool like 5 minutes. If you begin peel it immediately, before you know, the thing will become the back. You won't peel it neat the way you like it. So that's why you leave it like 5 minutes to done to cool inside the water before you peel it. So I will now take it now and peel it. Can see how the back is comot, very simple. So that's how you peel all of them. And see, you peel it very clean, very neat, that the back will not gum the egg. Can see. So that is all for boiled egg. It's a very simple thing, but some people find it very difficult to boil the egg. So just as I say, before you boil your egg, don't put the water on the fire. Don't allow the water boil before putting your egg. Then wash your egg and put inside the cold water. Then you on your light and allow it to boil. And don't allow your stove or your gas to be high. Lower it so that the egg will done the way you like it. Then add little salt inside. So that is all for boiled egg. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.